In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Help Center on Google Sites quickly and easily. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide will ensure you can navigate the Help Center with confidence and ease. To kick things off, you'll want to head to Google Sites. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in sites.google.com in the address bar. Hit Enter, and you'll find yourself on the main page of Google Sites. If you're already logged into your Google account, you'll see a dashboard displaying all of your existing sites. If not, you'll need to sign in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you're ready to access the Help Center. Next, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal bars, popularly known as the hamburger menu. This 3-bar icon is your gateway to additional options and settings within Google Sites. Click on it, and a sidebar menu will slide open, revealing various features you can explore. Now, let's locate the Help option. As you explore the sidebar menu, you'll see several options such as Template Gallery, Your Sites, and Trash. Among these, find and select the option labeled Help. Clicking on Help will open up the Help Center, a vital resource designed to assist with any questions or concerns you may have while using Google Sites. The Help Center is an extensive hub of information that covers a wide array of topics. From basic how-to guides for creating your first site to more advanced troubleshooting for specific issues, the Help Center is organized to help you find solutions quickly. You can explore help articles, video tutorials, and frequently asked questions to gain a deeper understanding of how to make the most out of Google Sites. For specific questions, you might want to use the search bar located at the top of the Help Center. Type in any keyword related to your query, and it will present you with a list of relevant articles and resources to explore. This can be particularly useful when you need specific guidance on a particular feature or issue. If browsing articles doesn't resolve your query, don't forget that you can always access the Google Sites community or contact Google support for further assistance. Leveraging these resources can provide you with personalized help from fellow users or Google experts. And there you have it. By utilizing the Help Center, you can confidently address any queries or issues you encounter, enhancing your experience and proficiency with Google Sites. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you become more comfortable navigating Google.